In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a Tangem wallet. So step number one is to go and set up your Tangem wallet. So just install the app and activate your Tangem card and create your wallet. Now after doing that, from within the Tangem wallet app, go and tap on receive and then select the cryptocurrency that you want to send. Then from there you can copy your wallet address, so the QR code or text string, and make sure you select the correct network. For example, ETH on Ethereum, USDC on Ethereum, or Solana on Solana as well. Now from there, after doing that, go and open up the Robinhood app and just go to the crypto tab and choose the coin you want to transfer. For example, I'll go with Solana. From there, scroll down and click send. And after you do that, you will see this. Now here, just click enter manually. And then here, paste in the wallet address that you just copied from your Tangem wallet. After doing that, click continue. And then choose how much you want to send. You can also click send all to just select your entire balance. From there, if this crypto is going to your Tangem wallet, select to myself. If it's someone else's, do someone else. And then here at the end, just gonna click submit, and then you may need to enter a verification code. And after doing that, it will be on its way to your Tangem wallet. Now what I would recommend is to do a small test transfer first and then move the rest of your crypto. This way you can see if it arrives, which it should, and if it does, then you're gonna send the rest of it. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to your Tangem wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.